आज हम लोग बात करेंगे हाउ चिल्ड्रन लर्न एट द फाउंडेशनल स्टेज। आज हम लोग बात करेंगे नेशनल करिकुलम फ्रेमवर्क फॉर फाउंडेशनल स्टेज की। आज हम बात करेंगे हाउ चिल्ड्रन लर्न एट द फाउंडेशनल स्टेज। व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट फाउंडेशनल स्टेज तो हम लोग बात करते हैं चिल्ड्रन बिटवीन एज 3 to 8। नेशनल करिकुलम फ्रेमवर्क फॉर फाउंडेशनल स्टेज 2020 states that children are natural learners. They are active, eager to learn, and respond with interest in new things. They have an innate sense of curiosity. They wonder, question, explore, try out, and discover to make sense of the world. By acting on their curiosity, they continue to discover and learn more. Children learn best through play. Children learn best through play, through activity and doing. They like to run, jump, crawl, and balance. They enjoy repetition. They respond spontaneously to rhythm. They talk, they ask, and they reason and answer questions posed to them. They learn by first hand experience involving manipulation, exploration, and experimentation. Hands on experience. They This playfulness with materials, ideas, thoughts, and feelings helps in developing children's creativity, flexible thinking, and problem solving activities, and enhances their concentration, attention, and preservation. Children improve their thinking, vocab, imagination, speaking, and listening skill through play, whether they are reconstructing real situation or creating imaginary world. हम सब जानते हैं learning is an active and interactive process. It is two-way process. Either it is earlier stage or any stage of learning. Learning is an active and interactive process. So अगर हम फाउंडेशनल स्टेज की बात करें, learning at this stage, therefore, an active and interactive process in which children learn through play and through interaction with other children and more experienced others. Children are actively engaged in their social and cultural experiences, and they constantly adjust and use new information to make sense of their perception and their experiences. रियल वर्ल्ड का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। रियल वर्ल्ड लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस इज children playing and playfulness can be nurtured and strengthened through experiences of active participation with others and with natural real world materials that provoke and enhance learning, imagination, creativity, innovation, and problem solving in diverse and unique ways. It is vital that learning of children at this stage is anchored by nurturing relationship with those around them. These relationships help children feel safe, become more optimistic, curious and communicative. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा डीप रिसर्च में जाना चाहते हैं तो मैं आपको रिकमेंड करना चाहूँगा नेशनल करिकुलम फ्रेमवर्क फॉर फाउंडेशनल स्टेज 2020। ये बहुत ही अच्छा है।